fresh-cooked meal is one of the true joys of summer. Chef Virginia Willis shares her hassle-free idea loaded with flavor the whole family will enjoy.
Thank you so much for having me here today. I am so excited to get a little Creole can-do on and to share with you this new line of Tony Chachere's salad dressing. We've got a zippy Italian, a zesty French, and a zingy ranch. They are delicious. You can use them for salads, you can use them for dipping vegetables, but great with chicken, fish, seafood, pasta. And the thing that's also wonderful is that it can be used for braising, basting, and marinating. So I'm going to share with you now this great skillet supper using the Tony Chachere's ranch as part of our dish. It's wonderful. So the first thing I have is when you have a skillet supper, you want everything to be about the same size. So I have some asparagus, and I'm just going to trim off those stem ends. And I'm using asparagus now, but you could also use green beans or broccoli, cauliflower. All right, so I've got my asparagus, and then here I have a can of chickpeas. Now I'm using chickpeas. We could also use northern beans or white beans, even black beans, but this is going to give some starchy. All right, and then I have my asparagus, and then I'll also put in this asparagus that I have just chopped, right? And then we are going to add a little bit of the ranch dressing, and that is so creamy and rich, and that is going to help make a sauce. All right, so we're going to stir this all together. All right, there we go. And then now I'm going to make the panko. All right, so I've got a panko topping. I've got some panko here, and I'm going to add the zest of a lemon and a little bit of oil and some parsley. All right, and stir this all together. Oh, I can't forget a little bit of the Tony Chachere's Creole can-do there. All right, so there we go. Now I'm going to place my salmon on top. Okay. You can also use chicken. You might want to cook it a little bit longer, but for the recipe and more information, you can visit tonychacheres.com or virginiawillis.com. We'll smooth over this ranch and then now top this with the panko. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. It's going to be delicious. So y'all, please make sure to check out tonychacheres.com for where to buy these new salad dressings. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit, y'all.
Hi, everybody.